In today's video, I am going to teach you how to switch templates on Squarespace. If you want to refresh the look of your site, Squarespace does not use template switching in the same way some older website builders do. Instead, you update the design by changing page sections and adjusting your global site styles. I will walk you through the process clearly so you can make those changes with confidence. Start from your Squarespace dashboard and go to Website, then Pages. This is where you can view the structure of your site and choose the page you want to update. Once you are inside Pages, open the page you want to change and click Edit in the top left corner. This will take you into the page editor, where you can modify the layout and visual structure of that specific page. Next, click Add Section. Squarespace gives you a library of pre-built section layouts that are designed for different types of content, such as banners, galleries, contact areas, and text-based sections. Browse through these options and choose a layout that matches the style you want. This is the main way to change the overall feel of a page without rebuilding everything from scratch. As you look through the available layouts, think about both appearance and function, so the design supports the content you already have on the page. After you finish adjusting the section layout, exit the editor and look to the top right corner for the paintbrush icon, which opens Site Styles. This is where you can make broader visual changes across your website. Select fonts if you want to update the typography, or choose colors if you want to change the overall color palette. These settings apply globally, so they are useful when you want your entire site to feel more polished and consistent after updating a page layout. Take a moment to review how the new section design works with your site styles. Even small changes to fonts and colors can make a big difference in how modern or professional your website feels. It is a good idea to check that everything still looks balanced and easy to read. Once you are happy with the changes, click Save in the top left corner. That will apply your updates and keep your new design changes in place. That covers everything you need to know.